I'm Lindsay and I'm a kidney cancer survivor, and I have a healthy eating blog called linziloves.com. I'm working with Kidney Cancer UK on their campaign as part of the Giving Tuesday initiative on the 28th of November. As part of their campaign, Kidney Cancer UK want you to cook it, snap it, share it and eat it by cooking green meals, taking a photo, sharing on Kidney Cancer UK's Facebook page and making a donation at kcuk.org.uk. There are loads of healthy green meals you can make, from a green salad to a green lasagna, a green smoothie, or my choice today, a homemade guacamole with some spinach tortilla chips. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, a small red onion, 1 tomato, salt and pepper, the juice of a lime and some coriander. Start by scooping out the avocados from the flesh and mashing it with a fork in a bowl. I quite like chunky avocado, however if you prefer something that's a bit smoother then you can use a food processor. Once you've mashed the avocados, you'll then add the chopped tomatoes and onion. Then you'll need to add the juice of 1 lime, some salt and pepper and some fresh chopped coriander. Mix all the ingredients together until they're evenly distributed across the mashed avocado and then serve in a bowl. I made the green tortilla chips by cutting a green spinach tortilla wrap into triangles. I brushed these lightly with olive oil and baked in the oven for about 5 minutes. Be careful they don't burn, but make sure they've got some bite. And here's the finished product, homemade guacamole with spinach tortilla chips. Remember to post your green food and cook it, snap it, share it, eat it with Kidney Cancer UK.